Hey there, startup founders. Choosing the right accounting tool can save you time and money. Today, we're comparing Pilot, Bench, and QuickBooks to help you pick the best one for your business. Let's dive in. Pilot is a bookkeeping service built for startups. It uses QuickBooks Online to manage your books, offering both cash and accrual accounting. Pilot's plans start at $349 a month and include extras like tax prep and CFO services for growing businesses. It's great for startups that need advanced features and integration with tools like Gusto or Stripe. Bench is perfect for small businesses wanting a hands-off approach. It uses its own software, not QuickBooks, and focuses on cash-basis bookkeeping with accrual as an add-on. Plans start at $249 a month and you get a dedicated bookkeeper plus tax support. It's simple but less flexible for scaling. QuickBooks is a die accounting software with QuickBooks Live adding bookkeeping services starting at $200 a month. It's great for businesses already using QuickBooks Online, offering cash-basis accounting and account setup. It's affordable but lacks advanced services like CFO support. So how do they stack up? Pilot is best for fast-growing startups needing accrual accounting and integrations. Bench suits small businesses who want simplicity and tax help. QuickBooks is ideal for die users or those needing basic bookkeeping. QuickBooks Online. Pilot's pricier but scales well. Bench is affordable but limited by its software. QuickBooks is flexible but requires more hands-on work unless you add live services. Pick Pilot for growth, Bench for ease, or QuickBooks for control. Check out our comparison chart below and choose what fits your startup's needs. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.